In a nutshell, CIRS is an acronym for Chronic Inflammatory Response Syndrome. The way I like to think about it is, have you ever wondered why some people get sick and other people don't? Why some people develop autoimmunity where their body attacks itself and other people don't? Well, there is a certain percentage of the population, about 21 to 24%, where the body cannot identify, grab bad guys, and escort them out of the body. Instead, the immune system goes on high alert and you become tired. Fatigue is a hallmark. In your brain, your body, you develop pain. You can develop abdominal pain. You can develop cognitive decline. So a lot of times I say CRS, can't remember squat. Doesn't matter how old you are, but it attacks multiple areas of the body, the immune system, the endocrine system, and the neurologic system. But here's the beauty of it. Treatment can restore balance and function to your body. It's something that will have to be managed the rest of your life, and hence the name chronic. The way that it shows up in children, typically children don't develop multi-system, multi-symptom illness. They tend to have maybe one of 6 things. Prolonged bedwetting after the age of 6 that can't be caused by any other reason like big fat tonsils and adenoidal tissue. Abdominal pain, fatigue that's not appropriate for a 3-year-old. For example, if a 3-year-old is at the park with a bunch of other 3-year-olds, they usually run themselves into the ground. But this little one would sit down after a couple of minutes or lay down and go, "Oh, I'm tired," and they just can't get up and keep going. Headaches, cognitive dysfunction like ADD, ADHD, and prolonged growing pains. Something that lasts more than 2 weeks, and you can't associate it with jumping on the trampoline for 3 hours or running at a track meet. So we're looking at a syndrome that affects multiple areas of the body for adults, and it can do the same thing with children, but you have to have a high index of suspicion in little ones. For adults, they go to multiple specialists like a rheumatologist, a cardiologist, a gastroenterologist, a pulmonologist. They have chronic sinus congestion. They see congestion. They see someone for their migraines, but all of them are actually related. So if we identify that, we want to put individuals in community so that they can get better together.